Barbecue potato chips. Let's make it. Start out with some potatoes. Now peel them. Once peeled, rinse them off. Grab your crinkle blade, grab a bowl of water, place your mandolin right over the bowl. Now start slicing directly into the bowl of water. Perfect ridges every time. Now wash your potatoes until the water runs clear. Once clear, put that to the side. Now we start on our barbecue seasoning. Tomato powder, smoked paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and brown sugar. Mix that up. Bring some water to a boil and boil your potatoes for 5 minutes exactly. After 5 minutes, take them out and put them on a paper towel to drain the excess water. Now fry them at 350 degrees. And if you want detailed measurements on the barbecue seasoning, go ahead and watch my YouTube video on it. Once it has a nice color and crunch, take it out. Now hit them with a heavy amount of our barbecue seasoning. Toss them up. We have nailed that barbecue potato chips. This is how you make ice cream without an ice cream machine at home. So let's make it. Into a pot, go in there with some sugar and whole milk. Now put that on low heat, and we're not going to boil this. We're only going to heat it up. Now grab a vanilla bean and scrape out all the beans. Now that it's warm, throw in there your vanilla bean. Mix that up. So get 3 egg yolks, and we're gonna temper this. So go ahead and throw in there some of that milk mixture, and you're gonna mix this up. Throw it back into your milk mixture and mix everything together. After a couple of minutes, grab a bowl with a strainer. Now strain your mixture. Fill up a pot with some ice water and place your mixture right on top of it. Now go in there with 2 cups of heavy cream. Mix it all up. Now let that turn completely cold in there. Now grab a big bowl, fill it up with some ice. Now throw in there some rock salt. Now place your mixture right on top and mix that up for a couple of minutes until it starts thickening up. Once it's nice and thick like this, put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Once frozen, go ahead and grab a scoop, place it on top of your cone. Look at that amazing ice cream. Beer battered onion rings. Let's make them. Start off with some onions. Now cut them right through the middle. Now cut 1/2-inch rings. Push out your rings, perfect rings of onion. Throw them into ice water bath. Meanwhile, our onion rings sit in the ice water bath. We're gonna start on the beer bath. All-purpose flour, pepper, paprika, seasoning salt, and garlic powder. Mix that up. Now go in there with your beer. Should be of a consistency like this. Now take your onion rings off that ice water bath and place them on a paper towel. Once dry, toss them into a bowl of all-purpose flour, no seasoning. Now coat them in that, shake off excess flour. Now toss them in your beer batter. Coat them thoroughly. Now fry them at 350 degrees. Don't forget to give them a flip. When nice and golden brown like this, take them out. To take them to the next level, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on them. Give them a toss. Now look at those perfect onion rings. Got some Southwest sauce right here. Dip it in there. The crispiest Nashville hot chicken. Let's make it. Into a separate bowl, go in there with buttermilk. Always season your buttermilk. Go in there with some black pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, onion powder, and mustard powder. Mix all that up together. Submerge your chicken in there. Now let that marinate in the fridge for 1 hour, or if you want, overnight. For your dredge, go in there with all-purpose flour and cornstarch. Season that with some paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt, and mustard powder. Mix everything together. Take your chicken out the buttermilk. Now drop it into your flour and coat that in there. Take off excess flour. Now fry that at 325 degrees. Once nice and golden brown like that, take it out. For your Nashville seasoning, go in there with brown sugar, seasoning salt, garlic powder, paprika, achote powder, and cayenne pepper. With that same oil you cook your chicken in, throw that into your spices, and that makes the Nashville sauce. Drop your chicken in that sauce. Look at that amazing piece of chicken. And you guys gotta give this a try because this is